Wonderfruit day 2. Let's go. Yesterday we actually came here and hang out a bit, but we actually did not do any content. Yeah. We just enjoy. Today we decided to do a bit of vlog. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Wow, so beautiful.
Back somewhere a little more festive. This one doesn't look.
We're still trying to decide
Half the back.
what photo spot we want for our Instagram.
Yes, sir. We gotta go for the money shot.
Money shots.
Yo, the scene looks so good, bro.
Right.
Yeah. Let's go. We gotta run there.
Manit is the best. Best videographer. Also have studio of Chiang Mai, where you can try some traditional Thai patterns. Wow, very nice. A lot of cool handicraft. Are those minions? No. Oh, it's a banana in pajama. You can really find many cool people here. Everyone is so free and cool and nice and beautiful. Oh, this is nice. Look, chilling. So it's a selfie time. What do you think?
Let's do it.
Is it selfie worth it? Just fucking chill. Love this. So people can put the visuals, but that's my favorite, guess. And maybe this one. Love is love. Cool. Someone is more creative than others, but overall it's very cool and chill. Many foreigners, which is so surprising. It's amazing to see like different type of communities hanging out together. Very cute. So we're going for photo spots first. Instagrammers gang.
The sun is down, like.
Yeah, it's a golden hour. Oh wow, it's cute.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what is this. A box. A Wonderfruit box. No entrance. Wonderfruit. Oh no, it is an entrance here. Oh, let's see. It's an installation. Guess you have to understand some Thai, which is not my level at the moment. Are we ready for next spot? Let's see. Let's see what else they have here. Many young cool people. Everyone dressed so well too. Cheat day kebab, some Japanese food, mango studio, some omelette. By the way, the festival is cashless, so you have to top up first, after which you can put the money on in your bracelet, the card in it, and pay everywhere. Very handy. Another creative vehicle, so people can just take those golf carts to drive them around for free. Very cool. Let's see what else. Yes. This is so cool. Love it. Yesterday we came to this spot and it was just a few people chilling, but yeah, you can see. I really feel like it looks like a Thai Coachella. Do you have idea where we are going?
We are going to the moon.
To the moon, oh yeah. that looked amazing yesterday. Let's have a look for the art installation with a raving party next to it, which is very promising. It's like super cool. Content creators. So fun. Cashless system require preparation. So we have to put money to the special bracelet. And they have a booth all over the festival where you can do it. Looks like that. We are rich, baby.
Yeah, of course.
Keep going. So here we are coming to another stage. I guess this is another stage, right, Manit?
Yes, sir, it is. It is so tribal. Like it
It's
sounds-
very ethnic.
Yeah.
That's cool. People just can come and lay down and chill if they're tired of the festival. Team Old Millennials is coming back.
You're back.
It was fun. Really fun.
Tired.
But we had very intense day
Yeah.
and we more or less saw everything. So maybe next year, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Let's see what else.